MySmile review. Is this the best at-home teeth whitening kit? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here with MySmile products with their home teeth whitening kit. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, if you want to get special discounts or special promos with the products right here from MySmile, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to the MySmile website right here, MySmile has a 4.5 star rating out of 5 stars and has over 12,779 reviews. So those are quite a lot of reviews. So yeah, so here's some of the reviews right here from MySmile. So just like this one right here from Elise, like, this flosser is so good, my teeth feel so much better than before and are getting whiter. So yeah, we have another one right here from Marquisha. My teeth are whiter after a week of using the toothpaste. So yeah, so we have another one right here from Natalie. I'll buy it again, it worked perfectly. From Concepcion right here, I am very happy with this product, it is amazing. So yeah, so we have another one right here from Shannon. I've tried everything. So I've smoked cigarettes, I drink coffee, and almost gave up trying to whiten my teeth. So yeah, so this one works for them. So yeah. And we have another one right here from Carly. They are made of all good quality material. Quick shipping. Will definitely order from them again. So yeah, so here's some of the reviews right here from MySmile. Okay, so moving on, here's some of the products right here that MySmile has to offer. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, so they have the original 5 times whitening kit right here. They also have a whitening pen right here, the whitening kit with 28 times LED lights, and some teeth whitening strips with natural ingredients. So yeah, so MySmile right here has a lot of teeth whitening products right here that they have to offer. So you can check all of these out by clicking on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review right here for MySmile products. So again, if you want to get special promos or special discounts, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.